In this video, I'll tell you about two serious problems that are faced by some OnePlus Nord 3 users after installing the new software update. Many OnePlus Nord 3 5G users are facing boot loop issue and hang problem after the new update. So I'll tell you about 4 reasons why these two problems are happening, and also I'll give you 2 solutions in case you face this issue. First, I'll talk about hang problem that many users are facing now. The main reason for hang problem is the Dimensity 9000 CPU that's in this phone. After the new software update, the phone is using too much RAM, because of which only a few amount of RAM is left for the CPU to work properly, and the CPU stops working if multiple apps are running in the background. So the phone hangs up like this. The second reason for hang problem is the fact that the new update is reducing the power given to the CPU so that the battery backup increases. So as the CPU power is decreased, when an application demands more CPU power, the CPU can't handle it, and because of this, the phone hangs again. The only solution for the hang problem is pressing and holding the volume down button and power button to force shut down the phone, and then you can just restart it normally. The second issue that are faced by some users is the boot loop issue. The phone fails to turn on and is simply turning on the logo again and again like this. There can be 2 reasons because of which this is happening. The first reason is that the software update package was not downloaded properly, maybe because of some faulty internet connection, and because of this, a corrupted update package is installed on the phone, which makes the phone to not recognize the software and boot up. The second reason why this could be happening is a motherboard issue associated with the bootloader section of the phone. This means that the phone is not capable of finding the exact location in the memory where the operating system is stored, so the phone is not booting up because of this. The only solution for boot loop issue is going to the service center and getting the phone replaced or fixed. In case you are looking to buy iQOO Neo 7, then don't forget to watch this video.